Now, incarner. Incarnates, it's, you have to be, uh, y- to understand, you have to give your opinion, you have to give your, your personify, your what I can say, your role on that. Incarner, to include. Incarner, c'est-à-dire quoi? That is embody, the sense of understand. Is it clear to you, my friends?
Yes,
What is incarner?
to include.
To
Include.
include, to understand, to to personate on that. Is it clear to you, my friends?
Yes.
Now, speak after me. Il est très important dans cette
Il est
langue,
très
in this language,
important dans cette
il est
langue.
important de comprendre au
Il
lieu
est
de
Lire.
important
comprendre, au
de lire.
lieu de, instead of. What I'm talking about, au lieu de. What is au lieu de? That is instead of. Au lieu d'utiliser, open your voice please, au lieu
Au lieu
d'utiliser
d'utiliser
le mot, instead of using the word, c'est le mot
de le
comprendre,
mot
ok? On
comprendre,
utilise le verbe réagir. Il est important de réagir. Il est
réagir,
important d'intégrer. Il est
d'intégrer,
important de composer, de découvrir
de
les choses,
composer.
d'incarner les choses. C'est clair.
Le.
So what is lieu?
Au lieu de, instead of.
Au lieu de. Ah, so
Au lieu
it's like
de, we say, instead of using the word, single word, okay, au lieu
Mhm,
d'utiliser, c'est clair, le mot.
mhm.
Is it clear to you, my friends?
Oui.
Clear? It is very important now. Just speak after me. Il est très, très, très important. Il
Il
est
est très important.
obligatoire. Il est,
Et
Obligatoire.
il
obligatoire.
est obligatoire. It's an obligation that. Il est obligatoire que. It is an obligation that. Il est
Mhm.
obligatoire qu'on utilise, qu'on
On utilise.
utilise. I'm using utiliser. Now, if I see, je vous pose la question maintenant. Si on utilise le mot utilise, au
Le
lieu
mot.
d'utiliser, on utilise le verbe consommer. On consomme. Consommer. Consommer, c'est autre quoi? Servir. Open your voice, please. Servir.
Servir.
Now, what is utiliser? To utilize, obviously, my friends.
Utilize. Mhm,
C'est clair. Quel est
mhm.
le mot, la conjugation de servir? Open your voice, please. Servir.
Servir.
To,
Servir.
yes. Je sers. Open your voice, please. C'est la présent. Je
Je
sers.
sers. Je
Tu
sers.
sers. Il, elle servent.
Sers. Il, elle
Servir. Nous
sert.
servons.
Nous
Nous.
That is
servons.
to be served, to be used. To be used, to serve. C'est clair.
Oui.
Le participe passé, quel est le participe passé? Le mot participe passé, c'est le servi. So, I
Servir.
used, passé composé, utilise le verbe avoir. J'ai servi. Tu as servi. Il, elle a servi. Is it clear to you, my friends? Nous
Oui.
avons, nous avons servi. Vous avez servi. Ils, elles ont servi. Is it clear to you, my friends?
Oui, sir. Yes, sir.
Par exemple, for example, you use what term you use. For example, what term you use today? Tell me on a daily basis. Now, for example, you have to convince me. Okay, we have a content which is convaincre. What is convaincre? Tell me. Convaincre
Convince.
is
Convince.
to convince. Convaincre et persuader. Open your eyes, please. Convaincre et persuader. Convaincre
Convaincre, convaincre
et,
de,
et,
et,
and, et
et
persuader. Persuader is
persuader.
to what? Persuade.
Mhm,
Convaincre is what? To convince.
mhm.
What is the vocab? Money is to lead.
Mener.
Yes.
Mais,
Just speak after me. Il est très important qu'on convaincre notre examinateur. Il y a des satisfaire. What is satisfaire? Tell me.
satisfy,
Satisfy.
To satisfy, satisfaire, remplir, you to fulfill the
the
demand, remplir. Il est très important qu'on doive convaincre, qu'on doive contenter, contente. What is contenter? Contenter, c'est
content,
autre quoi? To very pleased, contenter, to satisfy.
Mhm,
Convaincre, synonym is contenter. Que vous contentez l'examinateur and combler. Combler, c'est autre quoi, my friends? To fill. And ra rassasier, c'est autre quoi? To satisfy.
mhm. Sir, one more time,
Rassasier,
sir. One more time, sir. All.
satisfaire, to satisfy.
Mhm,
You need to fulfill the need of this step section B. Il est très important qu'on remplit.
mhm. Fulfill.
Fulfill, to fulfill.
Mhm.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Convaincre, c'est autre quoi? To convince. Contenter, c'est autre quoi? To satisfy, to convince. Combler is
Control.
what? To fulfill. We say just write down in English. It is very important to fulfill the demand.
Il est très important
Combler à la demande.
à
Combler à la
remplir
demande.
à la demande.
Il est très important qu'on rassasie la demande, that we fulfill the demand, that is satisfied with the demand of the person. C'est clair. Répond.
Mhm.
C'est le mot répondre.
Répondre. To respond.
To respond, to answer.
Mhm.
On utilise le mot riposter. Riposter, c'est autre quoi? To fight back.
Uh,
What is riposter? To hit back, to fight back. Just open your
mhm.
voice, please, my friends. Riposter.
Riposter. Riposter is to fight back.
Frapper, frapper en retour. To strive back, to hit. Donc, TEF section B, no TEF section B, il est très important that it is very important that you hit the sentiments of the examiner. Il est très important qu'on riposte, qu'on frappe, that we hit les sentiments, we dramatically hit the sentiments. When you play, on joue avec les sentiments de l'examinateur. We play, on joue. We have verb jouer. On joue.
Play.
On joue avec les sentiments, with the sentiments. Is it clear to you? C'est
Mhm.
clair.
yes, sir.
Sentiment.
Menacer, menacer, c'est autre
Examiner.
quoi? That threaten, threat. We see it is a threat, menacer. C'est clair. Se
Oui,
venger,
sir.
to take a revenge. What is se,
Mhm.
se venger? Se venger. Se venger, c'est autre
Mhm.
quoi? To take a revenge. Se venger.
Mhm.
Frapper en retour. Open your voice, please. Frapper en retour. To hit it back.
Frapper on retour.
To hit it back. It's a very good
Oui.
expression to hit back, but retour is to turn back, to return.
Okay.
Retour
Frapper
is
means
what?
hit, sir.
To hit, to hit it back. To hit it back.
Okay.
Retour, c'est autre quoi? Retour. To return.
Come back.
Retourner. Yes.
Mhm.
C'est le renvoi. Open your voice, please. C'est le
Renvoi.
renvoi. Renvoi
Renvoi.
is what to return.
Renvoi, return.
Renvoi.
Renvoi.
C'est clair.
Oui,
Clair.
sir.
It's very important. It's very important because we have a verb enlèvement. Open your voice, please. Enlèvement.
Enlèvement.
Enlèvement. Removal. Déménagement. Open your voice, please. Enlèvement. The word is enlèvement,
Enlèvement.
removal. The verb is enlever, is to remove. Enlever, remove, vanish.
Enlèvement.
Enlèvement, removal. Déménagement, to moving from one place to another. We have a déménager, moving.
Déménager. Moving.
Déménagement, to moving.
Déménagement, déménager.
The verb, c'est le verbe déménager.
So what is this mont form? Like how do we know the mont form, like MENT form?
Yes, it's very simple. For example, real, really, realmo, ENT version, realmo. Open your voice, please. Really,
Realmo.
realmo, ENT version,
Realmo.
really,
Mm-hmm.
really. Open your voice, please. Realmo.
Realmo.
Just speak after me. Realmo. Is it clear
Realmo.
to you? We say actually.
Okay.
What is actually?
Actual,
Actuellement.
actuellement.
I will say, really, really. One vocab, truly, truly, véritablement,
Vraiment.
véritablement. We say truly, véritablement, really, vraiment, vraiment.
Vraiment.
But if
Mm-hmm.
I will say not actually, I'm saying inactual, on actual, in
Mm-hmm.
reality, en réalité, c'est
Qualité.
clair. In reality, I'm saying really, réellement. In reality,
Mm-hmm.
en réalité. Is it
Mm-hmm.
clear to you?
Okay. So
Véritablement,
it's only for like emotion
véritablement.
word kind of thing.
Yes, véritablement, truly, but in true, en vérité, en vérité, we say truly, véritablement, but true, en
Mm-hmm.
vérité. Is it clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
En vérité, ça veut dire quoi? In truth. We say sincerely, sincèrement.
Sincèrement.
C'est clair.
Mm-hmm.
We say fundamentally, which is fondamentalement.
Fondamentalement.
Essentially,
Fondamentalement.
essentiellement,
Essentiel.
essentiellement. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Generally, généralement,
En général.
généralement. Is it clear to you?
Généralement.
Yes, sir.
We say,
Essentiellement.
in fact, we say, in
Okay.
fact, by the
Mm-hmm.
way, en fait, speak after me, en fait. We say,
Mm-hmm.
in fact of, a fact of, en fait.
En
Speak
fait.
after me, en
What
fait,
is en fait, sir?
fait is what fact, in fact, en fait,
En fait is
in fact.
on. In
In
fact.
of faith is in fact.
So there is this word called FOIS. En foi.
Fois is
Foi.
time, once upon a time, en fois, time, fois,
Okay.
instance. Is it clear to you? En fois,
Okay.
c'est clair.
Time.
Of is time.
Time, is it once
Okay.
upon a time is not for the timing and hours. There's a
Uh-huh.
once a time when you thinking for the telling for the past. Once, one day, en fois, one time. Okay, time,
Like
two
that.
time,
Like
deux fois, c'est clair. Three times, trois fois,
Okay.
c'est clair.
Okay.
And once upon a time, une
Wow.
fois. एक बात की बात
Mm.
है, une fois, c'est les choses, c'est clair, that talk.
Oui,
Is it clear?
okay.
En fait, indeed of.
Effect.
Indeed. Affectivement,
Effect.
affectly, affectivement, affectly.
Effectively.
Yes, affectivement, that is effectively. C'est clair.
Oui, sir. Yes, sir.
Exactement, exactly.
Exactement.
Exactement, exactly. C'est clair.
Oui.
Exact words. So,
Now, my friend, listen to me. Now, again, you have to do one task. Obviously, we are improving our things, the vocabs, the speech. Listen, my friends. Very good, Mukesh. Your
Mm-hmm.
scoring is uh, 34 marks out of 50, but I want you to score more on that in your assessment.
Okay, sir.
It is basically, I want you to score more on that. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'll try.
So, this first listening, my friend, first listening. You seen that? You seen that? Soumya, please do your task also. I'm giving you
yes,
some
sir.
tasks today to do that.
Okay, sir.
You need to write down the entire content of this listening the first 4 hours ago.
Okay.
Okay.
And you need to create 5 questions. Not to answer the question, you to just create five what question you can create it out from this listening.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
With this paragraph, you need to create 5 questions, and that is your task. And this task is for 20 marks. Every because these marks will be added in your report card, my friends.
Okay, sir.
Oh,
Is it clear? Because I pass your assessments and your score to the admin. So end of
mm-hmm.
the day, don't you report see the report card, so your number would be there. So score well on that. Is it clear to you?
Okay,
Ye-
sir.
Okay. Chalo, do that please. And I'm going to send you 2 more recordings. In the next five
Okay.
minutes time, you'll get 2 more recordings. One is this recording which we have done. One is more recording. Just write down the stuff and send it to me. Is it clear to you?
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Sir, I have one question.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, do you have any PDF or something like in written all the vocabs? If I could just get that and just go through with like all the
I will
vocabs,
send you.
any.
I will send you the things. Yeah.
Okay,
We'll send
okay.
it to you.
I'll
Me
We'll
just
send
also,
check.
you.
sir.
We'll
Me
send
also.
you ER, IR, and RE ending verbs. Many lists we have, so we'll send it across to you. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
please. I'll just practice with them
And
regularly with them.
please, yeah, and please practice with this. You know, Somay, what you can, how you can do practice.
Yes, sir.
You can go with the Delph A2, Delph A1, Delph A1, A2, A1, A2. Just choose that, and just start writing with those stuffs. Clear?
Okay. Sure, sir. Okay.
I'm going to share
And
23
sir, can
recordings.
you send us this connector as well, like
I will send it to
LU?
you. The list of the connectors will send it to you. Okay.